back to Lusso. Another video, brand new Diablo colour Lamborghini Revuelto. Coming for Track Pack Paint Protection Film Kit, which is the full front end and road rash areas protecting with the film to stop stone chips, scratches. The paintwork area that's not receiving PPF will be receiving Gtechniq ceramic coatings, as well as all the interior and wheels. Once my guys have fully protected this car, it's going to be going back to Lamborghini Leeds, the dealership, ready for the client to take collection. In front of me here, we've got the Urus Performante, which has received the satin paint protection film conversion, and that's also on our YouTube channel, so take a look. Here it is, all protected, Viola SE30 Lamborghini Revuelto.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Yeah. Hey.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah. Tell him, boy.
Yeah. I'm staring in the mirror at the only one I trust. Been down on my luck, so when you see me now I'm up. I'm fresh up out that mud, I'm a diamond in the rough. So when you see me shining now, I know it's anything but look. I'm looking in the mirror at the only one I with. I've been held me down, so when you see me now I'm up. I'm fresh up out that mud, I'm a diamond in the rough. So when you see me shining now, I know it's anything but look. It's anything but
diamond in the rough, yeah, we had it tough, yeah, we had the pressure and the pressure done its stuff. Oh, I'm not flexing when I'm brushing off the dust, no. All this pain and the tears made my shoulders rust. In this life, gotta do what you must.